Hi everyone, this is your weekly overview. So we have our readings up here. We are focusing on continuing our MLA practice. So you have what is a works cited page, which will take you through what is a works cited page as well as formatting. And then you also have how to cite different types of sources. And I just kind of linked you to this section. But when you click on the drop down, you'll see that you have lots of different options. And it's important to kind of just browse through all of them and see how you cite things differently. So kind of looking at how you cite an online journal or how you cite a newspaper or a website with no author or with an author. That's kind of what these sections do. You can also go through like print material. How do you cite a book or a magazine article? So it's kind of important to just preview and look at how every time we cite something, it is different based on the type of source it is. So that's kind of the goal here. If you need to review your comma versus semicolon rule reading that we did a few weeks ago, it's here. So Tuesday, you're going to be doing your quiz on comma versus semicolon. So review the reading if you need to. You're also going to be doing an MLA tutorial number 3. And this tutorial is going to help you set up what's called Noodle Tools. And it is a free account through your Maricopa email through PVCC. And it is a citation tool. So it will help you make your works cited page citations for your essays. It will keep track of all your sources. And then it will actually allow you to export a works cited page that's properly formatted. So in MLA Tutorial 3, you have some videos that go over what Noodle Tools is, how to create a new project in Noodle Tools, and how to set up your account. For your assignment directions, you're going to start a new project in Noodle Tools. You're going to use any 3 sources for your proposal paper. This can be from your reading log or from sources you found on your own. The choice is yours. Choose any 3. And you're going to create those citations for them in a project for Noodle Tools. Then you're going to print and export a works cited page. And the overview shows you how to do that. And you're going to print and export a works cited page, and you'll submit that works cited page here using the assignment link for 30 points. You get 10 points per citation. Okay. Make sure that it is formatted correctly. If you use the print export feature, then you will have it correctly done. Okay. So that's MLA tutorial number 3. And obviously you can keep adding to that project to log all of your sources for the proposal paper so you'll have a properly formatted works cited page. On Thursday, your proposal paper research assignment is due. For this assignment, you were prompted to conduct 3 different research means using the PVCC library. This worksheet walked you through how to do it. So in your first attempt, you're going to use the PVCC library. You're going to go through and follow your steps. You're going to type in your topic, gender pay gap or racial wealth gap. You're going to use a filter, at least 1 or 2, to then filter your resources and then find a source. Okay, find one that might be useful. What you're going to do is you're going to answer these questions. So what search words did you type in? What filters did you apply? And then what source did you find useful? Copy or paste the link here. And then list at least 2 bits of information you might use from this actual source. In attempt 2, you're doing the same thing. You're going to go to the PVCC library. You're going to click on databases on the left-hand side. Under all subjects, you're going to go to hot topics and you're going to select the CQ researcher. Then in the CQ researcher, you're going to search for your topic, gender pay gap or racial wealth gap. And then once you find it, you're going to go through these sections. So what sections of the CQ researcher did you find most helpful? Was it overview, outlook, pro, con? And then you're going to list at least 2 or 3 facts or details that you might use in your essay. And then research attempt 3, again, PVCC library, click on databases, again, go to hot topics. And then this time you're going to select issues and controversies. Again, you're going to search for your topic. You're going to go through all of the different options they have and then again answer the same questions. Okay, so that's your research assignment. At this point, after you finish this assignment, you should be good on your research. Between the reading we did in weeks 2 through 6, the extra credit options, and then this research assignment. Hopefully you have all the research you need for your paper. And that should be pretty clear when you complete the brainstorm if you have enough sources to support all the ideas in the brainstorm, because that's what's going to translate into your outline. Okay. So brainstorm is due Thursday. Friday through Monday, you have your week 9 overview. You have your outline you should start working on. The directions are all here. And if you want to complete the extra credit opportunities, you can. Okay. So that is your week 8 overview. I hope that helps you understand things. If you have any questions, as always, please email.